Hi everyone, and welcome to the quickest little tutorial you'll ever find on Buff Browz, and this is for a naked lammy, which I love because it just gives you that really perfect fluffy finish. So always prep the skin with Purify and Detox and our cleanse brush. And we're going to go straight in with that step one from the Cysteamine range and buff it in with one of our eco tools. And we're going to apply a cling film wrap, which is going to help speed up your processing time and also help those brow hairs to lie flat to the skin. Only ever leave it on for 2 minutes at a time. And I'm applying a little bit more step one, particularly to the root of the hairs, to help the roots to lie flat, as they are more dense and can take a little bit more product and a little bit more time to break down. I do like to remove the product from the tips of the hairs around halfway through my processing, so that we avoid the hairs from over processing, as the tips do not house a cuticle and are particularly vulnerable, so don't take long to process. I'm now starting to brush the hairs up into the desired shape and checking the breakdown of the bonds and the flexibility of the hairs. And I've just done a 1.5 step of Heavenly Balm to replenish the hairs before going in with step 2, which is going to set the hairs into their new shape and structure. So prior to waxing, I'm applying skin shields to create a barrier between the wax and the skin to avoid any skin grazing and lifting. If you are not using some kind of barrier, you are going to cause yourself a problem. It's one of my absolute go-to products to avoid the skin from becoming irritated and sensitive. And I'm using Heavenly Balm as my step 3 today for that really lovely sleek finish. And voila, we have a really beautiful naked lammy.